Good morning, students. So here we do start with our first chapter of mathematics part 1 as sets. Okay, so set is in actual it's a collection of objects, but that the collection of such objects that we can definitely define it, we can clearly define it, की अशा ऑब्जेक्ट्सचं कलेक्शन की जे आपण सांगू शकतो. सो हियर वी हॅव सम एक्झाम्पल as here as you see in picture. First picture is of flower bouquet, second is what, bunch of keys, third is what, flock of birds, in fourth, pile of notebooks and collection of numbers. That as in each picture these objects we can clearly define it. How many flowers are there, that we can define. How many keys are in bunch, we can define it. We can count that the number of birds. Here also we can count the number of notebooks. Okay, so such objects, collection of object is known as what, set. Okay, our next example, as here we observe the collection that the happy children in the village. Second example is what, brilliant students of the class. So in these both examples, this word happy and brilliant are what, relative terms. Relative terms means that differ from person to person. We cannot exactly give that the number of children who are happy in that village, or also we cannot say which are the brilliant students of the class. That these words are known as relative terms which are differ from person to person, and therefore this collection are not sets. Okay, येथे लक्षात सेट्स म्हणजे काय, set is a collection of object and that objects we can clearly define. That collection of objects are known as set. Now here we have few examples that we have to decide whether that given example or that collection is set or not. First example is what, days of a week. So days of a week, we can define these weeks. Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So days of a week is what, a set. Month in a year, yes, also we can give that months in a year. January, February, March, April up to December, these are the months in a year. So that months in a year is also a set. Third example, brave children in the class. Yes, here this word brave is what, relative term. It differ from person to person, so we cannot exactly give that the name of the children in the class who are brave. So brave children in the class is not a set. First 10 counting numbers, yes, we can give that list of first 10 counting numbers, and hence that fourth example is a set. Strong forts of a Maharashtra, fifth example. Here also as we see that strong is a relative term, so we cannot define or we cannot exactly give that name of forts of Maharashtra which are strong. So that strong forts of Maharashtra is not a set. And planets in our solar system, sixth example, yes, we can name that planets in our solar system, and hence that sixth example is a set. So like this you have one more question, that from given examples you have to decide whether that given collection of objects is set or not. Okay, so as you turn on next page, here we have that the definition of sets. if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. Okay. Now there are some rules to write down that the set. Generally, the name of the set is given using capital letters as A, B, C, D up to Z. Any capital letter we can use to name that set. Okay. So here as you observe, the set of natural numbers as denoted by what? Capital N, and that numbers are starting from what? 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinitely numbers. Then also as we know that the set of whole numbers as 0 included in natural numbers, that numbers are known as whole numbers, means W is denoted for whole numbers, that letter W is here at the name of set equal to, and here we write down that numbers as 0, 1, 2, 3 infinitely. Similarly for integers, that integers is denoted by what? Letter I. So I is what? Name of that set equal to what? And here we write down that the integers as positive numbers 0, and opposite of this positive numbers -1, -2, -3 as infinitely as integers. Then also as we know about rational numbers, which are denoted by letter Q, and R is stand for set of real numbers. So in this way we can name that set with using that capital letter. Any letter you can use for to name that set. Generally for natural numbers we denoted it by capital N. N stand for natural number, and W stand for whole numbers, I stand for integers, Q for rational numbers, and capital R for real numbers. Okay. Now next topic is element of a set. So if that any object, as suppose small letter A is an element of set A, then it is denoted as with this symbol. Okay, we write down that name of that object means small a, we use this symbol, and then we write down that the name of that set. So how we read it is that A is an element of set A, and if that object that A is not an element of set A, then we can denote it by like this. We write down that name of that object as small letter A is not an element. We use this symbol, that the symbol of element of set A, and just we give slant or standing segment and then name of that set. And how we read it is that A is not an element of set A. Okay. Next topic is methods of writing sets. So there are two methods to writing the sets. That first one is as listing method, or it is also known as roster method, and second one is what? Rule method, or also known as set builder form. So by these two methods we can write that set. Now here that one by one we discuss about that methods, how to write down that the set by listing method or roster method, and then second method as for rule method or set builder form. Okay, so pay attention here students. Okay, now here we have some rules how to write that elements of that set by listing method. So first point is write all the elements of a set in curly bracket. We use curly bracket, so these are the curly brackets. So practice it students. So open curly bracket is what? Here that the half portion is S, and below that we write 2 like this, S2, and here we close that curly bracket as 2 first and then letter S. So practice it for sets. We use these curly brackets and we write all elements of a set in curly bracket. So in previous examples, as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, as we saw that the numbers are right in curly bracket. Okay, then second point is each element is written only once. So what does it mean? If there are two or more objects or that numbers, but for set we write down that element, that number only once in that particular set. एकदाच तो नंबर किंवा जे काही असेल ते संख्या म्हणा किंवा लेटर एकदाच आपलं तिथे लिहायचं आहे. ईच एलिमेंट इज सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमाज. प्रत्येक एलिमेंट काय करणार, कॉमाने सेपरेट दाखवणार. ओके, and one more important is that the order of elements is not important, but it is necessary to write all elements of a set. Order of element is not important means randomly कुठल्याही क्रमाने ते एलिमेंट्स आले तरी चालतील, but it is necessary that we have to write down all elements of a set. So using this rule we can write that the number elements in that particular set by listing method, and this listing method is also known as roster method. Okay, for rule method, in this method we write what particular rule or that relation between the elements. So how we write down that set by rule method, that we see here by one example. Okay, so pay attention here students. So here I write one set as A, and in curly bracket I write down those numbers at 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here I close curly bracket, means close that set. So this is the method is what, listing method. Okay, now same set now you have to write down in rule method, so that as we observe these numbers, so these are what, natural numbers, first 9 natural numbers. So for that natural numbers we represent it by small letter x. So x, then what, slash x belongs to n. X is such that x is a element of natural number. So here this symbol is for what, an element of that set. So how we read it is x, that slash means x is such that x belongs to n, means x is an element of n. So this x represent for these numbers, and these numbers are in between what, 0 to 10. So means x is less than what, 10. We cannot take that 0 here because 0 is not natural number, and here we define that x is an element of natural number which is start from 1, and that there is sequence, consecutive numbers are there which are less than 10, and hence that less than 10 means x is what, natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and up to 9, because that x is strictly less than 10. So like this we can write down that set by rule method. Okay, or you may write down that same set in rule method by this theoretical way. X is such that x is what, first 9 natural numbers. This way also we can write down that set in rule method. Okay, so there is not particular way to write down that set in rule method, that various ways are there. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे आपण हे रूल मेथडने लिहू शकतो. ओके okay, now using these methods we have to solve that practice set 1.1. okay, so as you turn on page number 3, there is practice set 1.1, and above that there is one chart. So complete this activity as in chart, so that part we discuss in our online lecture, Google Meet lecture. Okay, so here we do start practice at 1.1. First question is write the following sets in roster form. So roster form means what? Yes, by listing method. That first example we have to write down that the set of even numbers. So as we name that set as A equal to, and in curly bracket we write down that even numbers as 2, 4, 6, 8 dash 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 means infinitely numbers are there. Okay. Second example is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Prime numbers are those numbers who have only two divisors, as first is 1 and that second as that number itself. ज्याला दोनच डिवायझर असतात तो म्हणजे प्राइम नंबर, आणि ते दोन डिवायझर म्हणजे 1 and that number itself. So as we write down that the list of prime numbers, that numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. Okay, but we have to write down that the set of what? Even prime numbers. So in these numbers, that first list prime number 2 is only even prime number, and that next of 8, that other numbers, other prime numbers are odd numbers, and therefore in this example as we name that set as B, we have to write down that the number 2 only. Okay, that the set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50, that 2 is a only even prime number. Then third example, set of negative integers. So integers, as we learn in previous standard, that the natural numbers, then 0 and opposite number of that natural numbers are integers, but here we have to write down that the set of negative integers means negative numbers only. So like this, as we name that set as C equal to, in curly bracket, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Infinitely numbers are there. Okay. Next example, 7 basic sounds of a sargam. So as we know that sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So that last sa we cannot write down here, because there is a rule that each element write only once. So here we write that first sa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, up to we write down, and as we count these are 7 basic sounds. Okay. So like this, for 1 mark question you have examples that given set is in what? Rule method, and we write down in listing method or roster form. Okay students, so open your notebooks and do write these examples of practice set 1.1. okay, before that first you have to write down what? The definition of set, as you have in page number 2, then that method of writing sets, that the listing method, and second one is what? Rule method. Okay, and then do start with practice set 1.1 in your class workbook. Okay students, second question is write the following symbolic statements in word. So as we know about this symbol, first example, 4/3 belongs to Q. So in word we can write down it as 4/3 is an element of set Q, like this. Okay, understood? Then do try for that second one, -2 not belongs to N, means in word we can write it as -2 is not an element of set N. Okay. Third example, that set P equal to, by rule method it is given as P is such that P is an odd number. So now we have to write down it in word. So like this, we can write down it as P. That small letter P is an odd number of set P. Okay, so like this for again 1 mark questions that the example asked in exam. Okay students. Third question is write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. So here I show that one example of that set by listing method and rule method, that the set here as I write down in listing method, same set I can write down here by rule method. Same way you have to try as your homework that the second example, any second set write down in लिस्टिंग मेथड अँड रूल मेथड. ओके, एक एक्झाम्पल मी दाखवतोय, एक तुम्ही घरी सोडवायचं आहे. सो हियर आय राईट डाऊन दॅट द लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स for set A equals to in curly bracket 1 2 3 4 5, first 5 natural numbers here I write down. So same set, now here by rule method I can write down it as with that same name of that set as A equal to, we use this variable as x slash means such that x is what, a element of natural number where that x is less than what, 6. So like this, using these symbols we write down that set A by rule method. So similarly that take any other example and you have to try it as your homework, that second example. Okay, fourth question is write the following sets using listing method. Means again here we have to write down by listing method that the set is given in rule method. All months in Indian solar year. So all months in Indian solar year means what? You have to write down Marathi months. Yes, not Gregorian year months. Gregorian means January, February, and Marathi month means Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, like this. Okay, so try to write down that Marathi months here students. So like this we write down those 12 Marathi months as Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, we can write down as Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashirs. Margashirs is also known as Agrahayan, Paush, Magh and Falgun. Okay, so like this you have to write down that our 12 Marathi months as Indian solar year. Okay students. Second example is letters in the word complement. So in this word complement we have to write down that letters separated by commas. Okay, so as you notice here students, in word complement there are 10 letters, but in actual in listing method we write down only 8 letters because yes, M and E is repeated. So M and E having 2 times, so according to that rule of set, as we write down in listing method, each element we write down only once. एकदाच तो लिहिला जातो. So we write down M and E here, so we cannot repeat that M and E. So like this we write down that the letters in the word complement. Okay, third example is we have to write down that the set of human sensory organs, which organs gives us sensation, that पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय मराठीत म्हणतो आपण. Nose, ear, tongue, skin and eyes, these are human sensory organs which gives us sensation, म्हणून यांना आपण मराठीत पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय देखील म्हणतो. Okay, next as you have to write down that the set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So that list of numbers as 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19, these are prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so like this for 1 mark question that the example asked in exam. Okay students. Fifth example we have to write down that the name of continents of the world. So it's a geographical question. So as we know that world is divided 7 continents, and that continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. So these are the 7 continents of the world, and our India, our nation is in Asia. Yes. Fifth question is write the following sets using rule method. Means we are given that the list, means listing method is given and you have to convert it in rule method. So first example, set A having that elements, that numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. As you observe the numbers, what we notice, students? Yes, these are what? First 10 perfect square numbers. So that rule now we have to define as in set by rule method. Okay, so pay attention here, students. So we use that variable x is such that x equal to what? N square. That n is what? A natural number, and that value of n is less than what? Here we have to write down that n is less than 11. Understood? Because that the natural number starting from what? 1 means value of n as we are taking as 1. X is what? N square means square of 1 is 1. As n as 2, square of 2 is 4. N equal to 3, then square of 3 is 9. As up to 10, square of 10 is 100. So means that the value of n is strictly less than 11. So like this we write down that the given set which is in listing method we write down in rule method. Okay. In second example, set B having that elements, that numbers are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. So what we notice here, students? So these are what? Multiple of 6. Okay, so we write down in rule method as we change that variable as y is such that y equal to 6 into n. Getting this? Multiple of 6 we can write down it as 6n, where n is natural number and that n is less than what? As the multiple of 6, 48 is what? 6 8s are 48. So n is less than 9. Understood? 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3 up to 8. That values we are taking as for n. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and for 8, 6 8s are 48. So n is strictly less than 9. Understood? Shall we proceed? Third example, set C having that elements, that letters are here as S, M, I, L, E. Okay. So what we notice here, students, as using these letters that one word is create or form, and that word is, yes, that is on your face as smile. Okay. So by rule method we write down that set as x is such that x is a letter of word smile. So like this, for 1 mark question, again here we have to solve these examples. That given example is in listing method and we have to convert it in rule method. So 2 more examples are there, 4th and 5th, that I will keep as your homework, students. But these examples you can solve it only in your classwork book. Okay, homework book is different, and that homework I will give you later on. होमवर्क तुम्हाला मी नंतर देईल. जी एक्झाम्पल्स होमवर्कसाठी सांगेल ती होमवर्कमध्ये सोडवायची आहेत, आणि ही कंटिन्यू जी आपण आहेत प्रॅक्टिस सेटमधली एक्झाम्पल्स यू हॅव टू कंटिन्यू इन युअर क्लासवर्क बुक ओनली. ओके, सो दॅट 4th and 5th try as your homework, and that next topic is types of sets that we will continue in our next lecture. Okay, thank you, bye bye.